Hi everybody, I hope you all are doing really well, and thank you so much for dropping by my channel. If you have been following me, you already know that I recently joined Amazon as Technical Program Manager. And last week I completed my 30 days at Amazon, so I thought I will sit down and talk to you guys about my experience working at Amazon in the first 30 days. So I will start with sharing a little bit about my onboarding experience. I chose to do my onboarding virtually. So they sent me this package, and it had my laptop bag, headphones and things like that, and they told me not to turn on my laptop until my first day. The package had arrived almost a week before my joining, so I tried to make a short for you guys to share with you about my onboarding process, but unfortunately when I upload that, it was uploading as a regular video. So I'm gonna put that 30-second video right here so that you can see what my onboarding experience was like. Now let me share my day one experience. My day one started with a meeting with my manager, and it was a 1-hour meeting where we set up my laptop and access and everything. We figured out all that. He asked one of my colleagues to invite me to all the team meetings. So after that meeting was over, we hopped right on to our team meeting where we had some introduction. I met all the team members, and yeah, after that meeting, I dive into my onboarding plan. They have planned out activities for a new employee to help understand Amazon culture, how Amazon operates, and to help them ramp up and be up to speed with the kind of work that is expected from you. These activities in onboarding plan helps you understand your role, helps you understand Amazon culture, like things like two pizza team, what are the leadership principles, and how Amazon really incorporate all of these leadership principles into their day-to-day activities and decision making. I must admit that I am really impressed with the amount of work Amazon has put in to onboard a new employee. I've worked with another multinational companies. I've seen pretty structured onboarding processes, but nothing like Amazon. It's pretty impressive and very detailed. That's pretty much it for my day one. I spend my rest of the week doing all those onboarding activities, and I will admit that by day 3 I had read so much documentation of Amazon that I didn't really feel like I was new anymore. Yeah, that was pretty much my week 1, doing onboarding activities, meeting team members one-on-one, understand what they're doing, what their role is, and how will I be interacting with them in the roles that we're in. Starting week 2, I started taking on like the actual regular work in addition to the onboarding that I'm doing. I want to learn things quickly, and I want to be up to speed and be able to contribute and things like that. So before I joined Amazon, I had heard about the fact that Amazon has very peculiar way of doing things, and I also experienced that their very different way of conducting meetings. In the meeting, they will share a document and everybody will go on mute. Everybody will read that document for like 10-15 minutes. Then they will discuss those items. That is definitely something I had heard before I joined Amazon, but experiencing that was definitely interesting. So far, based on my experience, if you want to get anything done at Amazon, you just start creating a document, get feedback from other people, and you get going. That's kind of the way. I think in my week 3, I attended a conference, and virtually, I attended a virtual conference. So before I joined Amazon, I had heard that you own your career at Amazon. And I think now I understand what that really meant. I mean, there are a certain set of things that is expected out of you in your role, but also there's lots of freedom. Like if you want to do something outside of what's expected of you, there are people supporting new ideas. There is lots of collaboration, lots of teamwork, lots of feedback. Like it's a very, very feedback driven culture. Like so far I have not seen any decision made by one person singularly. Like one person would come up with this idea and they will run it by the team for the feedback. So yes, definitely very, very feedback driven culture. In my third week I decided to go to office. I thought I need to collect my ID card and check out Amazon offices. So let me take you with me to the Amazon offices. So we are going to the office right now, but guess what? My team just got invited to a baseball match. So we're gonna go to the baseball match after the office. Yoo-hoo! Thank you, Amazon. This is like the coolest part of being at Amazon. This is it. We are here. It's my first time at the campus and it was a big moment for me, so I had to take a picture of that. As you can see, we are now in the parking lot and it's really nice and quiet. And here, this is the main entrance, but we are not going to go inside just yet. We are going to walk around and explore what other things are out there. So as you can see, the campus is really huge. The things on the left side is multi-level parking for employees. So this is my office location, but I'm supposed to collect my ID card from this building over here. That is also Amazon office, and the one behind is also Amazon. I have collected my ID card now. I went inside, they took my picture, and quickly 10 minutes later they printed me an ID badge. The process was super quick. We are now back at the main entrance and we are now ready to go inside. There is really nice lounge area and reception at the entrance and security check, of course. So I met a few people in the lift and I told them that it's my day one at Amazon. So what areas in the office should I check out? And they suggested that I should take a look at the lunchroom, game rooms, and the cafes. So this is the first lunchroom. I'm sure there's one on every floor, but I don't think I will have the time to go and look at what's on each floor. So we're just going to look at this one and the one on the very top floor. So this is the view from the top. So in this area we have this table tennis, TV, and air hockey table. I am really enjoying the views here and I really like how much natural light there is inside the building. And I'm seeing some helicopters. Oh yeah, look at that, some helicopters too. And this is the view from the lunchroom. It says raise the bar, and here is the lunch area, and I am going to use this chair for the next 2 hours and attend some meetings from here. So I thought I will take a little break and see what else is out there, and I ran into this conference room. Look at the views outside. Look, you can see the mountains and some helicopters on this side and some more mountains. It's a beautiful view outside. Okay, let's go get something to drink now. Look at this variety of the teas. Let's see, what do I want to have? I think I'm gonna go for milk chocolate. Let me know in the comments below, what would you have picked? Do you like tea, coffee, or milk chocolate? All right, time to go back to work. Now I'm gonna work from the office. I don't want to sit outside and keep looking at the mountain. I need to focus, so I'm going to be working from here now. Okay, it's almost end of the day and time for me to wrap up the work. But before we get out of the office, we're gonna go check out the 2 cafes that we haven't seen. So this is the first one. The coffees here are free and the food is also really inexpensive. This is the second cafe. There is a huge seating right in front of this area, but I am running a little late, so I need to run out. We're not going to be able to record that today, so time to go. So I had mentioned earlier that my team has been invited to this baseball match. So I am going to meet my colleagues at the baseball stadium now. And super cool thing is that you can also bring +1. So I am going to pick up my brother on the way and meet everybody at the baseball stadium. Let's go. So we are here at the stadium. So we are here at the suite. There's lots of food and beverages, and it's really nice to get to know your coworkers in an informal, casual environment. Apparently there are some seats reserved in the front, and we're going to check out rest of the match from the front seat. Okay, this is getting really close to the pitch. Okay, look at that, some live streaming of the match happening there. So it's really nice to enjoy the match from here, but it's way past my bedtime and I'm almost falling asleep and the match is almost over, so we're just gonna go home. So this is Saturday morning, and since I'm in town, my brother suggested that we should check out the beach, so we are headed to the beach. If you enjoyed this video and if you aspire to work at Amazon, make sure you check out these 2 videos.